Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fully disassemble the front end of a Toyota Camry XV50 US version. In our case, we'll be removing the front bumper, front grille, and headlights. I'll try to show the entire process in as much detail as possible so you won't miss any important steps. Make sure to watch until the end because there are a few hidden clips and bolts that many people usually overlook. First, we open the hood and start by removing the upper plastic cover panel. It's held in place by these plastic clips. You can remove them using a flat screwdriver or a special trim removal tool. Using the proper tool makes the job much faster and helps prevent breaking the clips. Once the upper plastic cover is removed, we gain access to the inner grille clips. There is one clip in the center, one on the right side, and one on the left side near the grille. All of these clips need to be removed before we continue. After removing the three upper clips, carefully pull the grille toward yourself. On the inside, it's attached to the bumper with these plastic locking tabs. Take your time and do everything carefully to avoid damaging the grille or the bumper. Next, we move to the bumper bolts located near the headlights. On both sides, there are bolts securing the bumper to the headlights. These bolts also need to be removed before moving to the next step. After that, we can continue to the side mounting points. There is one bolt at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. All of them need to come off. In my case, they were already removed beforehand, but they are very easy to take out, and there's nothing difficult about this step. Now we're ready to remove the bumper itself. Carefully pull the side sections of the bumper outward toward yourself. The bumper comes off pretty easily because it slides out from these plastic side retainers and guides. Just pull evenly and carefully from both sides without using excessive force. Before completely removing the bumper, don't forget about the lower engine splash shield underneath the car. Depending on your vehicle, there may be additional clips and bolts holding it in place. In my case, the lower cover is already missing, so the process is a little easier. After that, disconnect the fog lights, and we can move on to removing the headlights. Each headlight is secured by two 10mm bolts on top. Using a ratchet, remove these upper bolts first. But that's not the only mounting point. After removing the bumper, you'll gain access to the final bolt located underneath the headlight. Without removing the bumper first, you won't be able to access this bolt, which means the headlights cannot be removed properly with the bumper still installed. Once all bolts are removed, carefully pull the headlight forward. But before taking it out completely, don't forget to disconnect the rear wiring connectors and locking clips attached to the headlight assembly. After disconnecting everything, the headlight can be safely removed without any problems.